Logan. My name's Tyler. And we're the Wayne Boys. And we're the Wayne Boys. And today we're shoveling poop. And today we're shoveling poop.
You're shoveling poop today?
Yes, but Penny's trying to.
Who is that?
Penny, stop trying to tell it.
Tyler.
Who wants to shovel poop with
Logan.
No.
Are you guys gonna clean up all this poop?
Yes. You mean do what?
Yeah. Alright, keep going.
We're doing a farm tour today. We're doing a farm tour today.
You wanna show everybody where we live?
Yes.
And what's going on?
Yes, but
Alright.
I bet you already saw Vinny, Stella, and Penny over there.
Vinny, Stella, and Penny? Alright. So that's Vinny, Stella, and Penny?
Yes.
So who's Penny?
The donkey with the big like roundish thing on it.
And who's the brown cow?
Stella.
Logan, move your head, please.
Stella. And the other one's Vinny the bull.
Can't really see
What-
Vinny
what-
here. He's our bull. What kind of... Look at me. What kind of cows are they?
A mini cow. Zebu. Mini cow. Zebu. Mini cow.
Mini Zebus? You're
Yes,
both right. Alright. Let's get on this farm tour. Ready?
Yes.
Alright, so hop down.
This is our old tractor.
Old tractor equipment. You gotta yell a little bit, bud.
This is a tractor from... Look.
Don't look in there.
Roach in here.
There's a roach in there? Leave it in. Is it dead? Oh, get him out. And then Tyler, what's left of our garden tower
What garden tower?
with all of our lettuce? Do we still have some in there?
Yes.
Have you been giving it to the chickens because it's kind of at the end of its life?
Yes, I accidentally killed it.
You knocked down the tower.
Yeah. But
Was
it's a green stalk.
Now it's a DIY green stalk. We want a real one, right?
And they're turning purple.
Well, yeah, it's fancy lettuce. All right.
And I'm married.
To who?
I have a ring.
Oh, you're crazy. All right.
That was mine.
Let's show them something else, okay?
That's our cat,
That's our cat. What's her name?
Kitty.
Hi, Kitty.
Watch this, everyone. Kitty.
Kitty and Logan are best friends.
And me.
Kitty does like you, but there's something
Kitty.
special with them.
Kitty.
See? Aww. You guys love each other?
Yes.
Hmm. All right, let's move on. Say bye to Kitty.
Bye, Kitty. My name's Tyler.
No, where are you?
We're in our blueberry tree.
So what happened? Go ahead.
Crawling in.
You do, and I don't like that. So wait, hey,
There's a tunnel, see?
there is a tunnel.
It goes into the secret blueberry spot.
A secret blueberry spot.
There's thousands, even millions in here.
So why? What are all these dead? See these dead ones? What happened? Why do we have some dead ones?
Because things keep on eating them.
No, look at me. Look at me. Was it because of the late frost?
Yeah. but-
Remember it killed a bunch?
Yes, and look.
Oh,
Look, there's a
blueberries.
passageway. I'll eat one.
Tyler, there's a lot of ants under there. Oh, you're not gonna
Everybody,
eat that. Ew. Ew, spit it out. Spit it out. Ew. Gross.
Yum. Look at me.
What? Show me that yum face again. That is not the face you were making.
Mom, look.
Well, check out the size of this blueberry bush. Look at this.
Mom, look.
I see you. Super tall. It's a bunch of them, and it goes all the way down. We get gallons of them. Hey, Logan, do you remember what kind of strawberry plants we're planting soon? Pink lemonade.
Yay!
All right, let's move on. All right.
Garlic and onion.
What?
Garlic and onion.
Woo! Listen to that wind. So the,
Garlic and onions here and
we have the garlic and onions.
eat our cat again.
Kitty.
Wait, eat it. With kisses.
That cat just showed up one day, right?
Yeah, it was the fear from a 6-foot rattlesnake.
Yeah, and she did. She found a rattlesnake. All right,
And we're in victory.
let's move on. All right, now what are you standing in?
Grapes. And
Ooh, look at all those grape vineyards.
I see a baby.
You see the babies? Let's show them. Ready?
Here.
Oh, look how tiny they are. Here's a good one.
I found it.
Oh, you found your ring?
Yeah.
Good.
'Cause
There
I'm
they
married.
All right.
I'm married to Scarlett. I married to Mia.
Oh, I hope they know that. So, what kind of grapes are these? Do you know? Do you remember?
Green grapes.
They are, well, they're bronze. They're scumpernongs.
Yeah, and once we find one, we eat them, and it's like the juiciest thing, like a Asian pear.
That's right.
It's a type of apple. One time while we were picking these, I found a green tree frog. Remember that?
Yeah, and then one time you found one of those fuzzy caterpillars that'll bite you. Bad ones. All right, hop on. Let's move on. All right, so what did you guys help Dad plant?
Deer food. Deer food.
Food plot? Let's check it out.
You see, that's all it.
Don't get out because there's tons of ant piles.
I can see that.
We got some corn and sunflowers and clover. Tons of stuff. And it goes, hop on. We're going to take a ride. Hop on.
Cricket.
Hop on. A cricket? Nothing is ever quick. You got it? Don't come near me. Don't come over here. I don't do bugs. All right. No. Come over here. Stand right over there. Far enough away. I can zoom in. Ah! All right. Put it down.
Yeah,
Well, that was a close one. So this is the food plot. We're going to keep going.
yeah, and we have tons of this white stuff.
The yellow, isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah.
All right, but what kind of tracks do we have?
Deer.
Deer tracks, that's right. It just rained, so it probably washed a lot away. Let's see if we can...
Oh my.
Got some. Here we go. Ready? Let's zoom in.
From last night.
Deer tracks. Deer tracks. And then all along the fence line. What are you doing in Dad's food plot? Dodging what?
To get that see if I can reach that beautiful sunflower.
That's a dandelion. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. All right, hop back on. Let's move on.
Everybody, look, a pumpkin seed.
Pumpkins? Is it a sun?
Nothing in it.
Well, we have pumpkins in the garden. You gotta be louder.
Everybody, if you're watching, look at this video game grass.
It's a video game grass?
Yeah, look
Have you
at
ever
it.
played a video game?
No, but
No?
tree.
So this is your guys' favorite tree?
Yeah. Yes, but this is mine. It wasn't he discovered it. Yeah, and I was the first one that liked it when I was 2. And he started liking when I turned 3.
Oh. What do you like about it?
Oh, that's how it's so beautiful.
It's just beautiful. All right, well, give it a hug. We gotta go. Weirdos. All right, so where are we?
In our front woods.
Oh, what's scary about the front woods?
Snakes. I'll show you. Me and my mom and Ty will show you.
All right.
Snake out.
Whoa, what's behind us?
Snake. I'm a snake.
Get back on the cart. Why do we have to stay on the cart here?
Snake alley.
We're in Snake Alley.
And one time there was a snake's foot rattlesnake. And maybe we rescue it from
All right.
a cat.
Why do we call this Snake Alley? Because what's behind us?
Snakes like to hide in tricky spaces like sticks. So we never ever go in there without a parent.
That's
and
right.
This is our dad's snake spot. I mean, stick pile.
Stick pile. There you go. We don't put snakes there. Just sticks.
Yeah.
But snakes could be there. Ah, let's get out of here. Ah!
So,
Lane Boy's mom here, just to show you the mountain laurels.
yes.
They're so cool. I love them.
But we're here too.
Are you here too?
Yeah.
I feel like you're always
Wait,
here.
Mommy, you like bugs?
There's a bug on me. Is it gone?
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing, Ty? No more. Don't pick any more.
No. Thanks for coming on our farm tour. Please subscribe on the button. See you next year. No, next time, Todd. Next time. Bye. Bye.